Hi, in this video we are going to learn about the if formula. In Excel or in Google Sheet we use if formula in three ways: if, nested if and array if. So for the if simple if formula works on a condition. It actually works on a condition. If the condition is true, we assign a value for that, and if the condition is false, we assign a value for that. Let's say I use a condition here is equal to. These are the conditional operators which are used in Excel or Google Sheet or any spreadsheet. Let's say we want to check if the I column have value male or female. Let's say is equal to male, I6 is equal to male. What does this formula do? It would check rather it's a I6 value is male or not. It stands to be true because it's male. Let's say we extend it to the loss and we got false for every female value. Let's say we need to we convert this formula into an if formula. If formula covered this condition in a loop. Let's say if this value is true, what we want to do, we want to get a value at 6. So if the value, this is the male, we get the name of the student, and if it's false, we want the empty cell here. We got John. So we got all the male names here. Let's say we want to here we use the equal condition operator, this one. Let's say we want to use a second operator, not equal to. So we can use formula if I6 is not equal to male. So wherever the male I column is not, we extend the formula to the last. Wherever this is false, this is not equal to male, it would stand out to be true. Let's say we convert this formula if, and if it's true, we want here the name of the student, and if it's false, we want an empty cell here. So we separated all the females and male name here. So can get the list of the male and the female names. Now we want to use some other condition operators, greater than, less than, and greater than or equal to. Now I'm going to use it on grades. Let's say I'm going to use a condition here is equal to if the value of the marks is greater than 35, then I want to assign a grade A. If it's not, I want to assign a grade B. So wherever the value is greater than 35, it would give it a value A. But here I see there's a value 35, it gave him a grade B, but I want 35 to be A. So just change it to greater than or equal to condition. So now if I extend the formula, it would give A B A. It would also give Angel A grade. Now, if but in the actual grades, we don't assign only dependent on one value. We have many conditions, like if it's between, maybe if it's greater than 30, we want a grade B, and then if it's greater than 25, we want a different grade. For this, we need to use nested if. How the nested if works? So we, if C6 is greater than or equal to 35, we would assign a grade A. But if its value is less than 35, I don't want all to be B. I want another condition here. Let's say I add another if here for the false condition. If this value is greater than or equal to 35, then I want the B. So, and if it's I want to use, then I want a B. And next, in the false of this second if this condition is also false, I I want an other if here. If this one's is greater than or equal to 30, I want a C grade. Rest of all, I want it to be F. So let me extend this, and here we have got the all the grading. So let me repeat. First of all, the leftmost if is checked. If it's true, it assigns the value A. If it's false, then it goes to the next if. If it's true, it assigns the second value. If it's false, it goes to the next if. So how this condition works. And next we will going to learn about the array if. How the if array or array if how it works. So right now we need to write formula in each cell to get the values. Why don't we convert this into an array formula and write a single formula to convert to get value for the whole array? I just change it to I just change I6 to a whole range and H6 to a whole range. It gave a spell error because it's trying to extend the answers to the till the last. I just clear these cells. So a single formula gave all the results. Let me just change it over here to I6 to I13 and H6 to H13. It gave an spell error again. I just cleared the cell, and here an error if works just perfect. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. And if you want any professional help, you can contact me on the links given below. I would attach this Excel file in the description so you can download and check the formulas. Thank you very much.